Hi, everyone. We can now pull in localized cost data into the estimate in Ressio. In the estimate now in the top left right here, you still have the add button, which would add a new blank category onto the bottom of the estimate. But you can use this drop down arrow right here to add from Craftsman Book, which is our source for this localized cost information. On this screen, I can choose between one of two cost catalogs. I'll do construction, and then I'm going to do a search. So I'll search basement doors as an example, pull that in, and it will create a list of items that could go into basement doors. You'll see the costs over here as well, and those are dictated by a certain postal code that will default into the system. If I change that, then you can see those prices automatically update, or those costs, I should say, automatically update on this list. Then I can just select what I'd like to include, even break it down into material, labor, and equipment if I'd like to include or not. And when I hit complete, that's going to create a new category in Ressio and bring in those items and details right into the estimate. In addition to creating new categories with all the items underneath it, if I have an existing category, so right here I have it at the top level of the estimate, I can click these right over here and add children from Craftsman Book, so that'll bring in the information underneath it. Same thing where I can select basement doors. I'll select a couple of them, complete, and that'll go in right underneath the basement doors example. There you go, they flow into here. And then the third example of this really cool new feature is what we call fetching from Craftsman Book. So I have an existing line item right here for $1,000. If I fetch cost from Craftsman Book, we'll again go back to basement doors and select an item from here. It will replace that original cost on my estimate, which was $1,000, with this updated subtotal right here. There you go. So you can utilize this to more accurately create estimates and do it quicker as well. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.